Hello DIY Glamettes. Welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is 7 glam DIYs. If that sounds interesting to you, keep watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright, let's get this DIY project started.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest, can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest, can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all, 'cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't and just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come, 'cause the light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try to believe that changes will come, 'cause the light's just around the corner.
Hello DIYers and content creators. If you would like to collab with me, Glam Queen of DIY, for this 2022 year, email me at glamqueenofdiy@gmail.com, and that email link is in the description box also. And please make sure you title your email YT 2022 collab. I know I'm running a little behind, and I have several collaborations that I will be hosting for this 2022 year. And if you would like to take part in any of them with me, just email me and I'll get back in touch with you with the collaborations in the email. Also, make sure you do send me an email if you do want to be a participant in that face-off challenge. I am gearing it back up for the remainder of this 2022 year, and I look forward to hearing from each and every one of you. Thank you guys so very much. Once again, the email is glamqueenofdiy@gmail.com. Title that email YT 2022 collab. I hope to hear from all of you fabulous DIYers and glamorous content creators. Now, back to the scheduled DIY video at hand.
'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts stay burned inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger.
And as we're bringing these 7 DIYs to a close, I hope you have enjoyed what I created and it gave you some inspiration. Drop me a comment which one was your favorite. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.